Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 2nd of September, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of August, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.64. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of negative 4.87% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 1.62% since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 12.9% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 21.32% to a slight increase of 2.62%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a decrease of around 20.7%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary significantly, ranging from a decline of 91.91% to an increase of 96.18% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $1.38 and $33.51. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation, stock price down 2.57% on Tuesday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 2.57% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 2nd of September, 2025, from 17.53 to 17.08. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.4%, with a day low at 16.66 and a day high of 17.23. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 7.22% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 8 million shares were exchanged for approximately $133.04 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the stock price is 68.76%, or $37.60, below the 52-week high, and 78.48%, or $62.30, below the all-time high on March 26, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media's stock has been experiencing significant trading activity following a series of cryptocurrency initiatives this month. The company has announced a strategic partnership with Crypto.com and a blank check partner to establish a treasury vehicle aimed at accumulating Crypto.com's CRO token. Additionally, they plan to integrate the CRO token and a Crypto.com wallet into Truth Social and Truth Plus. Simultaneously, the firm has filed an amended registration for a Truth Social Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, with Crypto.com designated as the custodian. The markets reacted positively, with DJT shares rising by approximately mid-single digits in response to these developments. In the short term, these announcements could elevate the stock through increased positive sentiment, heightened trading volume, and anticipation of new revenue streams from token rewards, wallet fees, and enhanced user engagement. However, expect increased volatility as investors adjust to token allocations and news headlines. In the long term, successful execution could diversify revenue beyond advertising, enhance user monetization, and foster asset appreciation if cryptocurrency markets experience an upswing. Yet potential challenges remain, including execution risks, reliance on Crypto.com, concentrated cryptocurrency holdings that may amplify balance sheet volatility, and increased regulatory scrutiny that could limit potential gains or trigger losses during a downturn in the crypto market. The future trajectory will depend on effective execution, regulatory approvals, and the performance of the underlying tokens. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 5.11%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a more negative forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal derived from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On any upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $17.67 and $17.91. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Notably, volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 141 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 136 days ago. If you are looking for more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $16.99. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.567 between its high and low, which is a movement of 3.4%. In the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 3.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could indicate bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $16.99. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 29th of August, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sell of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 22nd of August, 2025, George Edward Bell Holding conducted an insider buy of 23,105 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, David Longley Bernhard also conducted an insider buy of 23,105 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 3rd of March, 2025, George Edward Bell Holding conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On the 20th of February, 2025, David Longley Bernhard conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. Analyzing the 86 most recent insider trades reveals a positive insider power with a ratio of approximately 19.447. Overall, insiders purchased 227,045,725 shares and sold 116,050,810 shares in the last 86 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.25, reflecting a decrease of 4.86%. This stock demonstrates medium daily movements, which indicates a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation displays several negative signals, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it is advisable to consider it as a hold or accumulate in this position while monitoring for further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 3rd of September, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by 8.9 cents and begin trading at $16.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.